To auto enable always on display feature when the theater mode is on in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon, tap mode and routine. While you are in the mode screen, tap theater, tap change setting, next tap always on display, and then tap the gray on off switch for always on display to enable this option. When the switch turns blue, it means that this option is on. Here you can customize the setting of the always on display. As the example, you can change its display mode to tap to show or show always, or show for notification. Also, you can enable or disable music information, change the screen rotation to portrait or landscape, and also to enable or disable auto brightness. Once you finish, tap done button and then tap done button again to save the change. By doing this, now when the theater mode is active, your phone will enable always on display feature with its setting that you have chosen before. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.